Hi everyone, I'm Catherine with Visa Harmony. Today I want to talk about the widow or widower visa. If you are married to a U.S. citizen and if unfortunately your U.S. citizen spouse passes away, you can file a self-petition as a widow or widower of a U.S. citizen. You can file this petition for yourself if you meet these 4 conditions. Number 1, you are married to a U.S. citizen who is now deceased and who was a U.S. citizen at the time of death. Number 2, your U.S. citizen spouse died less than 2 years before the date on which you filed this petition. So take note that there is a time limit to file this particular petition. Number 3, you were not legally separated from your U.S. citizen spouse at the time of his or her death. And number 4, you have not remarried. You will not be eligible to file for the widow or widower petition if you have remarried. To file for a widow or widower petition, you need to complete the Form I-360, Petition for American Widow or Widower or Special Immigrant Form. Currently, the filing fee is $435. There is no online filing available for this petition, so you will need to file by mail. We at Visa Harmony, we provide assistance with certain U.S. petitions and immigration applications. Our service fees are very affordable. We assist with filling out the required forms, organizing all the requirements, sending the application packet to USCIS, and answer any questions you may have during the whole process. I will leave our contact information below. To file the Form I-360 Widow or Widower Petition, you will need the following. Number 1, a copy of your marriage certificate to the U.S. citizen and proof of termination of any prior marriages for either of you. It can be divorce decree, annulment document, or death certificate of the previous spouse. Number 2, copies of evidence that your spouse was a U.S. citizen at the time of death. It can be birth certificate, U.S. passport, naturalization certificate, consular report of birth abroad, or CRBA. Number 3, a copy of the death certificate of your U.S. citizen spouse. If your U.S. citizen spouse filed Form I-130 or spouse petition for you before his or her death and it was approved or still pending, you do not need to file a separate widow or widower self-petition. The USCIS will automatically convert the Form I-130 spouse petition to a widow or widower's Form I-360 when your U.S. citizen spouse died. For this self-petition, you will not be required for the Form I-864 Affidavit of Support form, but I suggest to make sure that you have a place to go and means to support yourself when you arrive in the USA. I hope this video is helpful. If you have any questions on this topic, please post them in the comment section below or send us an email at ask@visaharmony.com. Thank you and see you next time.